The future has arrived. Reinvent business opportunities with digitally driven metal 3D printing for mass production. Meet the new HP MetalJet S100 printing solution. Made up of 4 main hardware stations, consisting of the HP MetalJet S100 powder management station, printer, curing station, and powder removal station, along with the mobile hardware, HP MetalJet S100 build unit, and portable powder tank. The process starts with HP MetalJet software solutions that easily and quickly prepare your printing jobs. The production process begins with metal powder preparation. The HP MetalJet powder management station automatically blends, sieves, and loads industry-standard metal powder into the HP MetalJet build unit according to your print job parameters. The build unit is then inserted into the HP MetalJet printer to start the printing process. The printing process starts by spreading the metal powder onto the printing bed. HP MetalJet binding agents are then jetted via the 2 print bars in the print cartridge over precise location on the powder bed to define the geometries. The process of spreading the metal powder and jetting of binding agents is repeated layer by layer until the final green parts are formed. Once the printing process is completed, the build unit is then removed from the printer and inserted into the HP MetalJet curing station to begin the curing process. In this process, the powder bed with the printed parts is heated to complete the evaporation of liquid components and cure the polymers from HP MetalJet binding agents to achieve high-strength green parts. After curing, the build unit is then inserted into the HP MetalJet powder removal station to depowder and retrieve the final printed green parts. The HP MetalJet S100 powder removal station automates the removal of loose powder for 100% reusability, while simultaneously performing build unit cleaning. All reclaimed powder is recovered into the HP MetalJet powder management portable tank for storage and reintroduced into the HP MetalJet powder management station for future usage. The printing process is now complete, and the final HP MetalJet printed green part is now ready for sintering and finishing. At HP, we understand that true mass production extends beyond the hardware solution. As such, we provide a comprehensive suite of software and solution services to deliver an integrated, end-to-end digital solution. HP MetalJet software solutions help accelerate your process development and scale production. It provides end-to-end automation, from installation to process development to production workflow management, built on an extensible API platform. To enable digital transformation for mass production, HP MetalJet Solution Services provide businesses with a comprehensive suite of onboarding, maintenance, and professional services to help businesses create the most value with HP MetalJet technology. Accelerate innovative designs and products and efficiently produce high-quality 3D metal parts at scale today. Get ready to experience unlimited capabilities. HP MetalJet S100 printing solution. Your success, our top priority.